That looks like a good setting with under 1/8 with MIG welding. This is a Hobart multi-handler 200, and we're using 030 wire. So we're down to an eighth is 19 and 30, 352. So we're 19, 352. This is my little multi-handler. I've got some exhaust here that's off a truck. So I was just trying to set it, and this is just under an eighth. So I'm just gonna run a bead here. I did a couple. It's a good idea to get some scrap plate. Try your MIG welder before you wanna work on your exhaust, if you're not doing MIG welding a lot. So let's just try this out and see how it goes. I did run a couple beads, but let's give her. Okay, let's go. That sounds pretty good. You got that nice sizzling bacon sound. So anyway, that's what I would do. Get some scrap metal, try it out, and because I got to weld that on, but the guy gave me the wrong one. This is stainless steel. Yeah, don't need that for that. Carbon. So that's just a quick tip here. Like I say, I got 030 wire right there. So it'll weld really light stuff, and this is like under an eighth. So it would be good to weld that exhaust. So just a little tip there, guys. All right. Have a great day.